Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video lesson as promised. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, your piano teacher. I am also a pianist and composer. If you want to discover more about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving also the link for the video in the description of this video. Going back to our lesson, today I will be speaking about how to maintain the concentration. It's a question I've received yesterday from one of my students, and I thought it could be of big interest for everybody. First, obviously, what does it mean, concentration? Concentration means how to channel your attention towards a specific subject. In our case, towards the piano practice, towards the piece the song that you're going to study, to play. The very first thing for me, for maintaining the concentration, is the will. The concentration is something that is very easy to lose in the beginning, when you are not enough trained. So empowering the will, you will definitely achieve what you want. How do you empower the will? Obviously, you have to ask yourself, first of all, why you are studying piano. If, for example, you are not that much motivated, maybe because your family is pushing you towards studying piano, try to understand that the piano practice is a very important discipline, can teach you so much that you have no idea. But now, assuming that you really like, that you decided to study piano, and if you are by any chance studying something that is not that much motivating for you, try to ask yourself why your piano teacher decided to suggest you that specific piece, that specific song, that specific technical exercise. He suggested you that specific song or technical exercise for improving your technical skills, reading skills, practical technical skills. So he definitely knows what is important for you. On top of asking yourself why you are studying piano, understand that it is definitely important to be patient. This is the second step. On top of the will, the patience. Nothing happens in 1 second. You have to definitely, learning maybe from the nature, you have to definitely understand that everything takes a bit of time. Something less, something more. And on top of the patience, the perseverance could be the third most important ingredient. The perseverance is that ability of going on. You have to keep going. At the first signal of tiredness, don't give up. You have to definitely be perseverant. Keep going. And start planning things. Make a daily schedule, a weekly schedule. Organize your life. Organize your time. Indeed, organizing your time can be fantastic. Can definitely help you. For example, decide that you study at a certain hour during the day. But then let's add also the fourth ingredient. Counting. Counting why should be considered one of the most important things for now, for maintaining the concentration. Counting, first of all, you set your mind in a specific way. You create a specific mood for studying, first of all. And then, on top of everything, you learn how to create that kind of mental structure for placing the notes on the counts. Obviously, in practice, how you can improve even your counting? Try, first of all, counting several times, not touching at all the piano, without any sheet music in front of you. Simply learn how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, but repeating, or 1, 2. And as many of you know, when you start facing the half count notes, can be clever counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Obviously, regarding the counting topic, I will be publishing a specific video in which I will explain in practice, in details, how to step by step develop a very good counting. It's obviously something that we decided to incorporate in the piano practice, since we are not doing anymore any solfeggio. Solfeggio was that kind of old and fantastic practice that all the professional musicians have been doing before touching the piano. Or, just, let's say, for something around a few months before really studying the instrument, the piano itself. Now, to simplify, empower your will, asking yourself, what do you really want to achieve and why are you studying piano? But I keep saying, even though it's not something coming from your heart, remember that the piano practice, music in general, can be a fantastic discipline for yourself, for your life. So, will. Patience. You have to be patient in all you do in your life. Step number 3. Perseverance. And you understand now what the meaning of perseverance. Go on, keep going. Keep going, don't give up. Not even if you're tired. Obviously breathe, take your time, but then come back. Don't leave too much, let's say, time from one practice session and another one. Be perseverant and then learn how to count. Counting, you create a specific mental mood. And you create also, in a practical way, the structure for placing the notes. For now, I think it's enough. I hope it's clear, it all makes sense for you. Keep watching these videos. If you have never done until now, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You will definitely get more and more videos from now on, yeah? Thank you very much for watching, and see you very soon.